Good morning, 早上好. Do you know how to answer the phone in Chinese? Of course, in different situations, you will answer the phone differently. Today, we are going to learn different ways to answer the phone. The first common one, it's like how to answer your own phone. In English, when you answer the phone, you will say, "Hello, this is Mimi. This is Mimi," right? But in China, hello, yeah, you will say, "Oh, 你好." You can say 你好, but there's a word you can use. It's 喂. Wei means hello, but it's only be used when you are calling someone or when you are answering the phone. Okay, 喂 means 你好, but you cannot say 喂 without a phone. That's very strange. So 喂 means hello, but only when you are calling someone or when you are receiving a call from someone. Okay, 喂, it's a casual way. 喂, okay. In English, you will say, "Wei, hello, this is Mimi." You tell someone your name first. But in China, maybe it's because it's different, because of the culture. Basically, we think when we answer the phone, we don't know who is calling you, but you just tell someone your name. That's kind of dangerous. So basically, when we answer the phone, especially when we answer our own phone, we don't really tell people our name. Okay, we just ask, "Who are you?" "Hello, who are you?" But it sounds really rude, but in Chinese we have a very polite way to ask. "May I know who you are?" It's kind of like 您是 喂 您是 ning means you, but it's a polite way to say you. 您是 actually is 您是谁 means who are you, but we just say 您是. It's like I'd like to know who is calling, like that. So it's not rude, okay? It's really normal. When someone is calling you, but you don't know who he is or who she is, you can just say 喂您是 and then they will tell you something. Okay, be careful. It's not be careful. Okay, if you want to answer the phone like a native Chinese speaker, basically we don't really tell other people our own names first. Okay. 喂您是 Okay. But if you are working for a school, if you are working for a company, and you are answering the phone as a company, of course you have to tell the people, this is a company, this is like the school, right? And also, instead of saying 喂, we will say 您好. Why? Because 喂 is kind of a casual way to answer the phone. So yeah, answer your own phone, you can just say 喂. It doesn't matter. Okay. But when you answer the telephone, like as a company, instead of saying 喂您好, it's more polite. So when you answer the phone, 您好这是 this is 这是米米中文学校. I made this name. So this is Mimi Chinese School. Okay. So because it's a school, so you want people to know now the people is calling Mimi Chinese School. So as a company, it's better to tell people the name first. 您好，这是米米中文学校。您好，这是饭店 restaurant. 您好，这是公司 company. Okay. Okay, we will already know the two common ways to answer the phone. The first one is to how to answer your own phone. Basically, it's very easy. Only 3 characters I need you to remember. 喂您是 that's it. 喂 hello 您是 who are you? Would you like to tell me who you are? Similar like that. Don't tell people your name, okay, if you don't know who is calling you. 喂您好 that's it. But if you are answering the call for your company, okay, of the company. So you have to tell people, 您好 polite way, 您好这是 blah 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 company, 这是 blah 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 school, tell the people. And actually there's a super professional way to answer the phone. Maybe you don't need to remember, but I'd like you to know the meaning, because it's a super common way to, like a super common and super professional way to answer the call, especially when you call the customer centers, when you call some, maybe like the calling centers, they will answer you instead of 喂 or 您好, they will say this, 感谢您的来电. Maybe you will, what is 感谢您的来电? Okay, we are going to learn. So they will say 感谢您的来电 first. So 感谢, thank you. 感谢 it means 谢谢, but it's a very very formal way to say 谢谢. So 感谢您 means you, but polite way to say you. 您的来电, 来 means come, 电 means 电话 means calling. Thank you for calling us. Basically it means thank you for your call. So 感谢您的来电，很高兴，很 very 高兴 happy， 为您服务，为 for 您 is you， 服务 serve. I'm so glad to serve you. Thank you. 感谢您的来电。Thank you for your call. Thank you for your call. Or thank you for calling us. 很高興為您服務。We are so glad to help you. We are so glad to serve you. Okay. 請問 I'd like to ask. 請問 or excuse me. But here 請問 is like I'd like to know. 有什麼？有 means have. 什麼 what? So 有什麼 means is there any? 有什麼 is there any? 有什麼可以 can or could. 幫助 help. 您的嗎 help you. So here 請問有什麼可以幫助您的嗎 So 請問 is like I'd like to know, is there anything I can help you? Okay, so it makes sense, right? So you will say, why is so long? Basically, if you are calling like some customer centers or calling centers, like a super professional places, they will answer you this in the beginning. Maybe you need to remember this. You don't need to remember how to say this, but you need to understand the meaning because it's so important. Basically, I remember many students, like they thought even the company will say wait. Well, only between your friends, okay, so you can answer your own call, just wait. But when you call company, I'm sure 90% they will answer you like 您好, and they tell you the company's name. Okay, and sure you will hear this a lot. You will hear this a lot because the customer service, basically they will answer the call like this way. Okay, let's read this one more time to feel. Okay, 感谢您的来电，很高兴为您服务。请问有什么可以帮助您的吗？感谢您的来电 ，Thank you for calling us。很高兴为您服务 ，We are so glad to serve you。服务，请问有什么可以帮助您的吗 ？Excuse me. Basically, it means excuse me, but 请问 means I'd like to know here. 有什么可以帮助您的吗 ？Is there anything it can help you? Okay. So, well, sometimes answer the call, answer the phone, it's not that difficult, but sometimes it's difficult. Well, but answer your own phone, just 3 characters, please remember. Thank you for watching today. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave your comments. I will see you the day after tomorrow. Thank you, 谢谢你们，再见。